Hi everyone, my name is Emilee McWilliams, and welcome to my course, Interpreting Data Using Descriptive Statistics with R. I'm a data scientist in the financial industry, with experience starting from investment management, and I've seen a variety of business problems. And many times in finance, the simple summary statistics on a large data set can provide impactful insight to executives and clients with a business mindset. In this course, we are going to interpret those descriptive statistics for a data set of loan applicants. Some of the major topics that we will cover include central tendency, variance, percentiles and confidence intervals, and how to find and apply these quickly in R. By the end of this course, you'll know how to find insights into a data set quickly and easily. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with simple R functions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R with the Interpreting Data Using Descriptive Statistics with R course at Pluralsight.